High heat takes over starting this afternoon as we settle into the 90s for not one but several days, even bringing us a chance for stronger storms. This morning already off to a warm start. A lot of us into the 60s. 65 degrees for Poplar Grove, 66 in Sublette, 59 in Mount Morris, dipping into the upper 50s, but we're going to quickly climb within the next few hours. You might notice a little bit of shallow fog developing for some of us. Really depends on where you're at. Visibility about 4 miles closer to DeKalb, under 2 miles near Rochelle, about 2 miles in Freeport. Now, not everyone is going to see it. One thing, though, a lot of people will notice is that hazy sky overhead. Wildfire smoke still takes over for much of our Tuesday morning. Take a look at your current air quality. The orange color you're seeing, that is unhealthy for those in sensitive groups. Anybody with respiratory issues, keep that in mind. A lot of this smoke will move out throughout today. A lot of improvements heading in as early as tomorrow. Another thing that'll stick with us throughout most of this week is those warm temperatures. The 90s settle in today, 92 degrees. If you like the heat, you're going to love this week. If not, there are many ways to stay cool throughout the area, and we're also going to see a very light breeze, hopefully going to provide just a little bit of relief. Also going to see a warm night ahead. Temperatures only falling into those lower 70s, as we also see a chance for showers and storms moving in, mainly early into tomorrow morning. Even bringing up potential for severe weather, a 2 out of 5 for that potential for the entire area. Now, if any of those storms become severe, damaging wind gusts, hail, and even tornadoes, all possible into Wednesday. Let's take a look at when some of that activity rolls in here on Future Track. We're dry for parts of tonight. However, that changes as we head early into Wednesday morning. There's those showers and storms rolling through. This is closer to 6 o'clock, taking you early into the morning when a lot of us are heading out the door, now closer to 8. A lot of those shower storms sinking into northern Illinois. May even bring us some pockets of heavy rain and that severe potential as they continue to sweep through. Now we're getting closer to about mid-morning as we get close to 10 o'clock. A lot of this looks to exit by the afternoon. However, what happens in the morning is dependent on what happens in the afternoon. And if we do get some sunshine and clearing and the ingredients line up right, we might see those storms fire back up with a severe potential into your afternoon. One thing that we can't avoid into most of this week is the heat. Take a look at your heat index values. Humidity going to build in, leading us to feel like we're in the triple digits. Make sure you're staying hydrated and cool throughout really the rest of this week and weather aware into tomorrow. The 90s take us all the way through your Friday, which is our next chance for some active weather into even early Saturday. In your most accurate 10-day forecast, we then start to drop out into those low to mid 80s. Also seeing dry weather returning with some much more comfortable conditions. Brittany.